trading on Bybit where we sell and buy crypto. All right. So today we're going to dive into selling of crypto and buying on Bybit Sports Trade. All right. So once you've successfully logged into your Bybit, first just come and click here. Click on Spot here. All right. So once you click on Spot, it's going to bring you to the trade where you buy your preferred crypto. All right. So today I simply want to buy Ton. All right. And once you are here to buy your Ton, there are a few things you need to do here. You can decide to check the chart, or you can decide to just go ahead and buy your crypto. So this is how the chart look like, but we are not interested in the chart at the moment. So for other videos, you can check my video description for all Bybit tutorial. All right, so once you are here and want to buy or sell any of the crypto, you can see the options we have here. Here is to sell, here is to buy. All right, so here is the current market price of ton. Ton is trading at 6.16 USD per ton. All right, so now, and this is the balance I have in my value balance that I want to use to buy the crypto. So if you want to buy your crypto, you can come here, click on this limit here. All right, once you click on limit, I'm going to see few options: limit, market, and TP and SL and the rest. So this limit implies that at what rate do you want to buy your crypto. All right, so for example, this 6.1, I might say I want to buy ton at 5.5. All right, so you can simply come here and change the price. 5.5. So it means that your order will be pending until the ton drop to 5.5 before you purchase. All right. So and as well, if you want to sell, you can do the same thing. And if you want to follow the market price, then you can just click on market, and you don't have to select the order again. So just go ahead and buy your ton. All right. So for me, I want to select the limit because I want to buy it at my own desired price. So I'll be selecting the price I want to buy now, which is 6.0, to buy it at 6.0. Okay. So now the quantity of ton you want to buy, at what quantity you want to buy. So you can drag this ring here to the extent you want to buy. All right. So you can drag it here, 25%, 50% of your available balance, 75% of your balance, or 100%. So if I drag it to 100%, I'm going to use 14.8 USDT to buy this particular ton. All right. And for example, if you want to use the market price, then just click on this place. All right. So, and this one you're seeing here are the numbers of people that are buying at the moment, and these are the numbers of people that are selling at the moment. All right. So let me click on buy now. So order submitted successful. All right. You can come here to see your orders and your assets. All right. So if you click on order, it's going to show the one you just ordered. So it will be pending until the ton drop to 6.0 before the order will be completed. But if you bought it at the current market price, then you can click on assets and you see your assets down here. So this is basically how to buy crypto on sports trade. So now you can see my balance has reduced from 14 USDT to 0.0. So what if you are here? How do you add fund to this spot trade? All right. So once you are here on the spot trade, you just click on this plus sign there. You can see it here. So once you click on it, now increase your balance. So is it transfer you want to do, or convert, or you want to deposit? Anyone. So let's assume you have money in your balance already. Click on transfer. Now, If you click on transfer, you're going to transfer from your funding account to your unified trading account, because any money you deposit on Bybit is going to be on your funding account. All right. So you have to transfer it to your unified trading account. All right. Then you click on the amount you want to send to your unified trading account. So, but since I've used mine to buy the crypto, there's no need of doing that. I just want to show you how it works here. So this is simply how to buy crypto at the moment. For other updates, we'll be dropping the video one after the other, and also the technical analysis that involve. So I hope you find the video useful. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button, drop a comment for us in the comment section. We'll attend to you one after the other, and also turn on our notification for more updates. See you in my next video.